Pack shoes for vacation. Shoes are one of the most important things to bring when you are going out of town, either for a vacation or for business. You should have the right kind of shoes for different activities that you will be doing on your trip. Bringing just one pair of shoes is an impossibility. You need to bring at least 2 to 3 different pairs so that you will have the appropriate kind for a certain activity, like hiking in the woods. Packing shoes for vacation can be a daunting task because they can be crushed inside the luggage during the trip. So it is very important to learn how to pack them such that they do not get trampled inside your bag. This article will give you tips on how to pack your shoes. Read on. Determine how many pairs of shoes you will be bringing on your trip. You have to have at least one pair each for every activity that you will be doing. You need a pair of heels if you are going to dinner at a fancy restaurant, hiking boots for exploring the outdoors, and sturdy and comfortable loafers when walking around a city. Buy canvas bags for shoes. Some shoes come with their own canvas bags when bought. Some do not. For those pairs who did not come with their bags, you can buy them at shoe stores. These are the best storage for your shoes because they do not take too much space in the luggage. Save those bags and keep them when you get back home for your next trip. Pack each pair of shoes in individual canvas bags. If you are bringing more than one luggage, it is better if you separate your shoes in another luggage. If you are vacationing for more than a few weeks, you cannot avoid bringing a few luggages with you. Save a small one for your shoes so that they do not get crushed if they are included with your clothes. The bag must have enough space to fit all of them without being too crowded. Arrange them such that they do not trample each other. Stack them 2 pairs at a time inside the bag. However you keep them inside the bag, make sure that the shoes are in good shape. Bring shoe polish with you. If you are bringing leather shoes with you, it is a good idea to bring polish so that you can clean them in your hotel room if the shoes become dirty. Now that you have learned how to do this task, you will find it easier to pack your shoes next time you go out of town. Since shoes are delicate and they can be ruined when not kept or packed properly, it is imperative to know the best way that they can be packed without getting ruined. Once you take them out of your luggage, you will notice that they look like they were gotten out of a shoe rack because they are in tip-top shape.